Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve error code 2901 in COD Modern Warfare 3, then let's look at the following solutions. So the first solution is to look for your internet speed. We do that by going to fast.com, enter, and look at the speed. Mine is 190 megabytes per second, which is perfectly fine. And yours should be somewhere about 20 megabytes per second is good. If it's below that, that means there's a problem with your internet speed. You need to speak to your internet provider. Now, if that doesn't work, then we have to restart the Xbox console. So if you have an Xbox, you need to restart your console. The power supply, you need to switch it off and switch it on. The third would be is to check the Call of Duty server status. So let's go to the browser and we will type Call of Duty server status. And we will go to online services and we will click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Right. It shows all platforms are online. If there was an issue here, then that would explain why the error. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.